Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to our session. Our topic is light, reflection and refraction. Now the topic is going on about the refraction of the light. So today's our topic is image formation in lenses using the ray diagrams. So already we have seen the ray diagrams, how to draw in the mirrors, is it? So now we are going to draw the ray diagrams in the lenses. So for that, first of all, to draw the ray diagrams, we have to follow few rules, as it is how we have followed for the mirrors. Now let me see what are the 3 rules regarding to this to draw the ray diagrams. The first rule, so we are talking about the rules of image formation of convex lens. Which lens? Convex lens. So we are having the 2 types of lenses, that is the convex lens and the concave lens. We are talking about the convex lens. So the first rule is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis of the refraction passes through the focus on the other side of the lens. That means if you take the lens, if it is passing, so here this is the F1, F2, then 2F1, 2F2. If it is passing parallel to the principal axis, this is the principal axis to that parallel. If it is passing, then it is going to pass through the focus. So it is going to pass through the focus. This is the first rule. Then what is the second rule? The ray of light passing through the optical center of the lens goes straight. It emerges without any deviation. So when it is passing through the center, so if it is passing through the center, it doesn't deviate. How it is passing through the center of the optic? It is not going to deviate. It emerges without any deviation. That is the second rule. Next, what's about the third rule? A ray of light passing through the focus of the refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. So how it is going to become? If it is passing through that, it is going to become as the parallel to the principal axis. So it is going to pass like this. It is to the parallel to the principal axis. These are the 3 rules which we are going to follow now to draw the ray diagrams. Okay children, let me start to draw the ray diagrams. Let me start now how to draw the ray diagrams. So before that, let me have the tabulated column. So in this, position of the object, position of the image, relative size of the image, nature of the image. Okay. So now here I have taken the lens. So by using of the lens, we are going to draw the ray diagrams. Which lens is this, children? This is the convex lens. This is the convex lens. Okay. Now I have taken the principal axis. So I have drawn the lens. Always lens should be not thick. It should be very thin. Then only we can draw the ray diagrams very easily. So F1 to F1. Once again, the image which it is going to form, that is the F1 and to F2. Center of curvature, that is the C1 and the C2. This is the optical center, O, and temperature we have started. So what is our first one? When the position of the image is at infinity. When it is at infinity. Infinity means from where we have to take. So the rays are coming like this. So up to the aperture we have to stop children. There itself the deviation we have to start. That means the refraction will be started. So now the ray and the rays are passing. So where it is going to meet, let me see. So this is our meeting of our point. So another 2 lines if we are going to draw, that also is going on meeting at a point. Where is the image now? Where it is going to form? When the object is at infinity. So it is exactly at the focus. At focus. Where it is? At the focus. We are having at the focus. Then how the image, here we can see highly diminished. Highly diminished. How it is? The relative size of the image, it is highly diminished. And what is the nature of the image? Real and inverted. Real and inverted. So where we have taken the position, it is at infinity. Infinity place, and the rays are going to meet at a point. Where is that point? It is exactly at the focus. Where it is? It is exactly at the focus. F2. So at F2. Okay. So this is the first step we have taken. Let me go for the next one. Is it? So I am going to take it as beyond 2F1. Now, where is the object? The object is at beyond the 2F1. Now, let me draw the ray diagram for this, where it is going to meet. The same thing, children. Draw the principal axis and draw your lens. Yeah, this is the optic center. So from the optic center, exactly, you have to take, if 1 centimeter means 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters means 2 centimeters. So this is your F1. From F1, how much distance you have taken? The distance should be same, or else you cannot draw the exact ray diagrams. From this side also, if for F2, how much, for F1, how much we have taken? F2 also, the distance should be the same as it is to F2 also. The distance should be same. Now where is the image? Beyond 2F1. Beyond means at the back. So the image is here. This is AB. With me, you also try to draw the ray diagram, children. It's very important for our examination. So they are going to ask if the position of the object is beyond 2F1, what is the image? What is the relative size and how the nature of the image is going to form? You have to draw the ray diagrams. It's very important for the 2 marks. So take your book and you also should carry this one. Okay? Now start, children. So here we have to use the 2 rules. Whatever may be, the 3 rules we have seen, in that we have to follow the 2 rules. So first here we are going to follow the first rule. What is that? For the aperture, if you are going to draw the ray, so where it is going to form? It is going to form to the opposite. Yeah. So this is your refracted ray. Okay? This is your refracted ray. Next, when it is passing through the center of the lens, it doesn't deviate for us. It is not going to deviate. So, it doesn't deviate. Where it is going to meet, there we have to show. So, when we have taken the object beyond 2F1, where we have taken object beyond BF1. So this is our image. Where it has formed the image between the F2 and 2F2. We have to mention them. Between F2 and 2F2. Where it has formed between F2 and 2F2. Then how is the image? This is also Okay, so this is the beyond 2f1. The first one is infinity. Next one is beyond 2f1. Now still just you move frontwards to the lens. Front means where it should be? At 2f1. At 2f1. Let me draw the ray diagram when it is at 2f1. Where it is going to form. Let me see, children. So f1 to f1, if the object is exactly at 2f1. So draw the optic center. This side also f2 to f2. Yeah. So now follow the rules for this. So where it is going to form. So first one, when you draw the parallel, it is going to deviated, and when it is focusing towards to the center, it is going to meet at a point. So where we got exactly at B dash A dash A B. Now where is the object, children? Exactly at 2f1. Where it has formed for us? Exactly at 2f2. At 2f2. Then how is the size? It will be the same size. No change at all. Then nature of the image is real and inverted. How is the nature? It's the same. That is real and inverted. So now we have seen at infinity beyond 2f. At infinity means it has formed at the exactly at focus. Then when we have taken a beyond 2f1, it has formed between f1 and 2f2. Next, if we have taken at 2f1, it has formed exactly at 2f2. So the size also will be the same. Next, little bit front, children. That means the object when it is focused between the 2f and 2f1, f1. How it is going to form? Let me see now. So once again, draw the principal axis for this. Draw the lens, center, f1, 2f1, and object should be between. The object should be the between f2 to f2. When the object is placed between 2f1 and f1. When the object is placed between 2f1 and f1, where it is going to form? Let me see now. Draw the ray diagram, children. The first rule and the second rule, when it is passing, so it is going to meet it here. Where it is going to meet? So object AB and the image is B dash K dash. Where it has meted, children? It has came after the 2f1 to f2. So that is beyond 2f2. Where it has beyond 2f2. Beyond 2f2. How is the size? See, the object is this much, but the image is very big in size. So enlarge in size, and the nature is real and inverted. The nature is real and inverted. Now let me come little bit front. So where it will be? Front means exactly at the focus of f1. This is fourth one and the fifth one. Let me see where it is going to form the image for us. f1 to f1, f2 to f2, optic center. So the object is at how it is going to form the image. It's not meeting, children. Then where is the image formation? Can you guess it? Where it is going to form? Very good. At infinity. At infinity. Where it is? It's going, and we can see it somewhere. The image will form, but it is at infinity and also highly enlarged. Enlarged, and that is the real image. How the image will be real and also the inverted. Real and inverted image we can see. Still little bit front, let me move. Yes, that means it should be between the optic center and the F. Between the optic center and F, how the image is going to form. Let me see now. So principal axis, let me draw the lens, optic center, F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2, the object is between. So between F1 and optic center O. Between optic center of the O. Then where it is going to form the image. Let me see now. So this is the AB, this is the A dash, B dash. So we can see the image at the back, and it is very enlarged image. How the image it has formed for us? It has formed the enlarged image on the same side. So where it has formed? On the same side and enlarged. How is the image? It is very enlarged image, and it's not real and inverted. It is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect image. Virtual and erect image. So, still we cannot go. So, and these are the images for our convex lenses. It is very, very important for us students. Let me see once again what is this. So, when the position of the object is at infinity, it is going to form at focus F2. When the object is at beyond 2F, between F1 to F2. When it is exactly at 2F1, so it is going to form the image at 2F2. And between 2F1 and F1, beyond 2F2. At F1, at infinity. At the last, between F1 and optic center, on the same size, we are going to see the images. Okay. Now let me see the next one. Okay. Do you understand this? So these are we are having in the page number 89, 90, 91. So that they have tabulated column we are having, and also you can see this ray diagrams. Okay. So take your textbook and carry on to draw these ray diagrams. And one thing children, here we have drawn for the convex lens. Take your textbook and try to draw only the two ray diagrams given for the convex lens. Okay. So by this let us end our session. Tomorrow let me come with the new topic. Okay. Thank you children.